We're going to take a look at how to build your bio that you can use anywhere by using artificial intelligence or ChatGPT. Very simple, be very easy video, quick, easy to use. Your ChatGPT probably doesn't have these boxes in it. Mine does because I have a plugin called AI If you watch my video on ChatGPT God mode, it walks you through a little bit more about that, things you can do with this plugin. This is a Chrome or Edge plugin. It won't work anywhere else. Go ahead and install it. It'll make your life a lot easier. So remember, ChatGPT, it's really good when it has everything done, ready to go, set to go, but you have to give it prompts. These prompts are built into it. It gives you a good start. They're not perfect, but they give you a really good start of what to do, of what to kind of look for. So again, if you don't have the plugin, go ahead. When you get the plugin, it's going to ask you to make an account. After you've verified your email address, you can just go back to ChatGPT, wherever other window popped up, and it'll be there. You'll accept the terms of service and you'll be ready to go. It makes you keep going in circles sometimes if you don't click after you verify your email. Just go to your ChatGPT, whatever tab, and you'll be good. So if you're here or you're in ChatGPT, I'm just going to show you with AI PRM, then I'll show you without it. You just go here to bio, and then right here, write professional business bio. Or you could just tell ChatGPT, hey, I'm looking for this. So I would say, my business name is I'm a real estate agent named Andrew Morin. And you can see how simple it is. You're just gonna go through, you're gonna fix it. It's fun if you put, nickname, solar scientist. If you put everything about it, focus on military VA buyers in the San Antonio area. That's it. Give it a little bit about you, what you want to do, where you focus, and that's it. And there you go. It's loading up. Simple. Builds the whole thing up. Good to go. Boom, done. You're already set. Now, where would you put it? If you have KV Core, you just go to your KV Core here. In the top right, you're going to click on your name, go down to My Profile. So again, go to KV Core, top right, click on your name, go to My Profile. Once you have it, you're going to click Edit Profile, and you're going to scroll down and just throw it right here. And there it is. I had another one I already did. It gave me a little bit different every time. I can compare the two and see which one I will like. And there it is, good to go. And then I have my profile ready to go. And that's an easy way to load up, get your information in there and not have to worry. Of course, you can use the same bio anywhere else that you need to. You can go to LinkedIn, you can go to your Pinterest, you can put it on your Zillow account, whatever you're using your bio for. It's that easy. Now I have my bio built. I can put it wherever I need to. If you don't like it, you can say, rewrite it, focusing more on this, this, and this. And I'll rewrite it and tweak it. You can rewrite it as many times as you need. And again, this is the free version of ChatGPT, the 3.5. Very simple, gives me a great bio, very easy to do. Hope that helped.